Hi friends, good morning. So today it is the 17th day of our mission 30 days. So today I'm walking nearby the Sharjah Art Museum, Sharjah Art Foundation, etc. through that area itself. Yesterday it was a full busy and it was a happy day, especially for me. Yesterday it was sports day in our school, annual sports meet 2024. Karate performance was there, drill was there by the children, and march past was there, and there were a lot of athletic items too. There are four houses: emerald, ruby, sapphire, and topaz. Emerald with a green color, ruby red color, sapphire with blue color, and topaz with yellow color. And I was very happy that world champions, my team won the overall championship. So total points were there: emerald 153 points, and ruby 151 points, sapphire 144 points, and topaz 115 points. Okay, so it was very nice, and it started yesterday. I went for 6:30, and the program started almost 7:15. Program started, and it ended nearby 2 o'clock. I reached home nearby 2:33, like that. Okay, and after that I went to Safari Mall. The Safari Mall Kerala is happening. A lot of Kerala items are there. Kerala types of food, Kerala types of things, toys, etc. Okay, especially coconut special items, etc. Okay, so it was a wonderful day yesterday. Another happiness, my children's karate performance was there. It was awesome. So see you with tomorrow's updation. Bye.